Park Authority has a great gift card program. It's very convenient. You can go to any rec center, nature center, or historic site and purchase a gift card at any value you want, $25 or above, and then you can give it to anyone you want to thank and appreciate during this holiday season. You can sign up for a class, a gym class or a fitness class. You can use it at the nature centers or historic sites that not only have admissions but also gift shops. You can use it at the golf courses for rounds, tokens, or things at the pro shops. The Park Authority offers a range of specials depending on the time of year. Anything from percentages off for Black Friday, special Cyber Monday ways to support the Park Authority. Just talk to your rec center or your local park or check out the Park Takes magazine, or you can look online and see what we have running.